Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Canada Immigration Updates, March 2026 Full Update. March 2026 brought several major Canada immigration updates, including express entry draws, changes affecting temporary residents, targeted immigration selection, and new discussions about Canada's immigration future. In today's video, we'll cover the biggest Canada immigration updates from 1st March to 31st March 2026. Canada continued express entry draws. IRCC continued issuing invitations to apply through express entry during March 2026. Canada maintained targeted selection strategies focusing on provincial nominee program candidates, Canadian experience class applicants, and category-based draws. Priority occupations continued, including healthcare, skilled trades, STEM occupations, agriculture, and French-speaking candidates. This confirmed Canada's continued focus on labor shortages and economic immigration needs. Canada focused more on in-Canada applicants. Another major immigration trend during March 2026 was Canada's continued focus on applicants already inside the country. Temporary foreign workers and candidates with Canadian work experience continued benefiting from targeted immigration pathways. Canada also continued prioritizing Canadian experience class candidates, provincial nominees, and workers already contributing to the labor market. This means Canadian work experience continues becoming more valuable for permanent residence applicants. Provinces continued targeted immigration draws. Several provinces also continued targeted immigration selection during March 2026. Provincial programs focused heavily on healthcare workers, skilled trades, entrepreneurs, and workers already employed locally. Provincial immigration remained one of the strongest pathways to Canadian permanent residence. For many applicants, provincial nominee programs may now be one of the best options for Canada PR in 2026. Canada continued supporting rural immigration. Canada also continued focusing on immigration to rural and smaller communities. Regional immigration pathways continued helping employers address labor shortages outside major cities. This could create important opportunities for workers willing to settle outside Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. Processing times continued changing. IRCC also continued updating immigration processing timelines during March 2026. Some immigration categories improved slightly, while others continued experiencing delays because of high application inventories. Applicants were advised to apply early, keep documents updated, monitor expiry dates, and submit complete applications. Express entry competition continued increasing. The express entry pool remained highly competitive throughout March 2026. Higher CRS scores continued becoming more common, especially among provincial nominee program candidates, Canadian experience class applicants, and category-based candidates. Applicants may need stronger language scores, Canadian work experience, or provincial nominations to improve their chances. Canada continued moving toward targeted immigration. One major trend in 2026 continued becoming very clear: Canada is moving toward more targeted immigration selection. Priority continued going to workers already inside Canada, candidates in high-demand occupations, French-speaking applicants, and workers willing to live outside major cities. This means immigration selection is becoming more focused on labor shortages and economic needs. More immigration reforms expected. Canada also continued discussing possible future immigration reforms during March 2026. Future immigration selection may place stronger emphasis on labor market outcomes, work experience, job offers, and high-demand occupations. However, many possible reforms remain under discussion and had not become official policy yet. What applicants should focus on? If you are planning Canada PR in 2026, experts recommend improving language scores, gaining skilled work experience, exploring provincial nominee programs, and staying updated on category-based draws. Because Canada's immigration system continues changing quickly. If you found this update useful, like the video, Subscribe to Canada Immigration Global and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.